BlockDag is a cryptocurrency project that claims to offer groundbreaking blockchain technology with fast transactions and high scalability. But is it a legitimate opportunity or just another scam? After thoroughly analyzing the project, including its white paper, team credibility, website details, and community feedback, several red flags emerged. The website makes bold claims with little technical transparency, and there is no verifiable proof of real-world adoption or working technology. The team behind BlockDag lacks publicly available credentials, raising concerns about accountability. Additionally, user experiences suggest issues with withdrawals, exaggerated profit promises, and aggressive marketing tactics that resemble past crypto scams. Compared to established blockchain projects, BlockDag lacks the necessary credibility, regulatory compliance, and transparency to be considered a safe investment. Based on these findings, the risks far outweigh any potential benefits, and it appears to be a highly suspicious project that investors should approach with extreme caution.